Today, we want to introduce our polishing machine. In this video, we will introduce the main function of the machine and how to do the installation, running, and adjustment. This is the input hopper, and this one is the main body of the roller, and this part is aspiration fan and the dust collector. Before we use the machine, we have to do an overview checking. It's very important. We must make sure all the welding and the structure of the machine body is fastened and fixed. And make sure no output materials block the parts, and check every cover. And we also have to check the roller belt is fastened. If it is loosened, you have to adjust it. Before we use the polishing machine, we have to connect all the input parts together. This part shows how we do the assembling and fix them on the elevator. Before we use the polishing machine, we have to assemble the input parts together, connect the parts together and fix them on the elevator. It shows how we do the assemble. Now we do the wiring. Please make sure all the power is cut off when you do the connection. The first one is the main power, the fan, and the roller. Let's put the first work. Connect the main power to the switch. After the adjustment, we run the machine and check the roller, the working status is stable. Now let's do the testing of the polishing machine. First, we switch on the main power. Second, turn on the aspiration fan, and the third, turn on the roller. Now we do the adjustment of the polishing shaft. We can adjust the shaft based on the quality of the finished beam. First, let's remove the cover of the belt. And then second, release the screws on the both sides of the bearing. After releasing the screw, we can higher the shaft or lower the shaft. If the broken rate of the beam is high, we can higher the shaft. If the shining color is not so good, we can lower the shaft. And after adjustment, then we do the fasten. After long time use, the belt will be loosened. In this case, you can release the 4 screws of the motor and move the motor to a lower new place, and then fasten the screw. Check the belt, it's fastened, and put the cover back to the machine.